Right, hello everybody. Okay, I've decided to do the poppy, radiant poppy kit next. Okay, I've still got my steampunk, but I'm leaving that go now. I'll do that a bit later on because I want to do the poppy kit, and then I want to do something for Christmas or winter. I'm not sure yet, so I need to. And these were all coffee stained ready, so I thought, well, this is the month to do this, isn't it? So I'll get that one done. This is what I've been doing. Well, I've been cleaning my studio during the day, and then at night I've done a bit of stitching because I had a little rest from doing anything, wrong way around, anything digital and things like that, because I just felt as though I needed to really rest at night because I was exhausted. So I had to go at this. This is inspired by oh gosh, this is hashtag sew for the soul bobbin. Oh, here we go. Ambrook. Gosh, I forgot her name already. Okay, I mean, I saw this on it one night when I was watching videos, and it popped up, and I think a few have done it. Rachel Roxy Creations have been doing it. There's quite a few others that have been doing it, the slow stitching and everything. And I thought, well, I'll give that a go because I've done my patchwork journals before, you know, from snippet rolls and done that. And I thought, oh, I'll go, and I definitely need more practice. I mean, definitely, but I really enjoyed it, and I think that's the good thing. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be neat. It's still, once it's all done, it still looks okay. It's going to be a fairly small journal. I'm going to most probably cut that off there, and then I'll stitch around. But I will make a cover out of that because I've started off with this panel, and I thought, do you know what? I want to make a journal cover out of it. So I then, because this was on the end here, I cut it off and then done that. So I've placed it where I think it looked right, and then worked on it from there. So that's what I've done. I've also got one of her kits that I purchased. I have started, but like I say, I haven't done much to that because I want to finish that first. But I did want to place a few bits, so I sort of, that'll go under there. So, because I love buying little kits like this because you've got all the colour fabrics. Some of these colours I most probably would never have put together. I wouldn't have put blue and green together like that. But it's nice. So yeah, I'm going to play with that one afterwards. Well, I'll do this one first. I was all right, as long as I placed it. And then I was so excited about getting it. It's a lovely little kit. So, and then you get the instructions and everything with it. So I won't show it all, but like I say, this is, you can get all the instructions, and it's ambrook.co.uk. So whether it's international shipping, I don't know. I really don't know. Sorry, I can't help you there. Okay, so that's that. I also the reason why I'm doing the poppy kit is because I've done this ages ago. So I'm going to have to sort of make this work as a cover. Okay, I'm not sure how yet. I might, yeah, I'll think about it. But anyway, I'm using that as the cover. Then one night I've decided that one day a week I'm going to use my embroidery machine to do, you know, random things, but I need to use it and I love using it. So I've done some poppies. I haven't put them all together yet, and I haven't got, I'm trying to find some little sparkly beads to go in the front. I think I've got some somewhere, but it's a matter of finding it. So I've done loads of these, and then you just sort of lay them on top of each other. It's quite hard to sew through though. They're quite stiff. But they're really good. I love doing them. I love doing things like this because I think, well, I can use that. Maybe I could do with a smaller one, you know. It might look a bit top heavy, if you know what I mean. Not sure yet. Anyway, we'll see. But I thought I might make a couple into a brooch as well for Poppy Day. I thought, no one have those. They're actually supposed to be earrings, but I mean, look at the size of them. You would, I don't know, that would be pretty heavy, I would have thought, or not. They're not weighty, but a bit big. But yeah, I enjoy doing them. So I'll be doing a few more things like that, I think. So I enjoyed that. So that, you know, if I don't use them on here, because they might just be too heavy. I'm not sure, because this is quite delicate. But we'll just see. If not, I've got them for something else. But I wanted to do them, so. So that's that. Yeah. And now I'm going to go on and show you the journals. Okay. This one is from Carol Laws. Okay, which I'll link her video, actual channel below. Sorry, I'm a bit rusty with doing videos because I've had 10 days off. I'm cleaning up. I'm just going to put this down, be better. And yeah, I feel a bit rusty, to be honest. Let's put that down. There we go. Look at it. Isn't that a beauty? Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so I'll put her Etsy shop below. I'm not sure whether she's still got, I know she made 2, whether she had one for sale or whether it's gone yet. I don't know, but I'll link her video and her Etsy shop below. Okay, because I'll tell you what, she is such a neat worker. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. And this, oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, and she sent it me. I can't believe it when it arrived. I'm like, oh God, I love it. So it's really nice. Oh dear, she is so neat. She's done one of these beautiful bags here. I'll only do a quick flip through because she's done more detailed one. Okay. And look at this. And it's so nice that she's started to do a few her own papers and things. It's great. Love it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm going to leave that in there because I want to keep that all together. Yeah, so I'll just do a quick flick through. It's just lovely. Another one there. I think some of these were from Mrs. Cog, I think. Oh, she does some amazing images too. It's lovely. I love this, the one that flips over the page. It's great. Oh, no, I like these. I love the lace put around there. That's a brilliant idea. I shall be stealing that, Carol. Yeah, gorgeous. That one's stuck in with that there. Pin. Paper clip. See how there's trouble. 10 days off and I'll be forgetting all the names of things. Oh, it's great. Love it. Oh, doesn't that paper match that beautifully? Yeah, so she's used the Gothic kit for this. And it's really lovely because she's put different papers in as well, and it's just worked absolutely brilliant. Love it. I love that. Yeah. I remember doing this kit. I actually found it really difficult. I didn't think it was going to work, but it did in the end. And that's my favourite. That's lovely, and she's done that on vellum. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's good. Lovely. I love that. I didn't have a spider phobia, but that was all right. It's paper. Actually, I'm not too bad since I've been in here. I do tend to get spiders in here. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning, Carol. Thank you so much. That's lovely. These images work so well. Another page flip there, look. Oh, it's really nice. She's such a good journal maker. Oh, and that's a freebie kit there. She's incorporated a bit of that in here. And that's work too. Gosh. I think this is one of my very first kits. I remember that. I'm sure it is. Yeah. I keep looking at it now and I'm thinking, oh, shall I take it down? Because it was sort of like I'd done black edging, whereas now I do brown, but it's worked in here. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. So don't forget, I expect most of you know Carol anyway, but and that's from the freebie kit. Yeah. Okay, it's really worked. It's great. Okay, and there's the back. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I've got another journal to show you from Julie. She sent me I've got it's a December weekly, but I would have thought she meant daily. I'm not sure, but it's huge. Oh my gosh. I couldn't believe it. It's absolutely huge. Look, I don't know what the spine is, and I don't know whether she got a video channel, but I will find this all out in time for when I post this video. Let's have a look. A 4-inch spine. It's a bit sort of like a mini album come junk journal, really. Absolutely lovely. So well, again, absolutely beautifully made. Beautiful. And these are all, oh, I see. So yeah, you can oh, it is maybe a week. It is weekly. Oh, I see what she means. Yeah, so that is 1 week, 2 weeks, 3, 4. Ah, I get it. Sorry. Yeah, never heard of those before, so I'm learning still. Let's see, you can take them out and use it. Oh, wow. I honestly, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Gosh. All these lovely cards and... Oh. Yeah. Oh, let's put that on the outside. There we go. Okay. Wow. How cool. Oh, so I put photographs in, all sorts. Really beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I used to make mini albums, so it's similar to this, but not mine used to be in, you know, in the spine. But this is a great idea, because it's really funny, because you can take that out and work on that, and it's not like such a big daunting project, is it? Absolutely beautiful. The bells, the bells. So this is all sort of, you know, plain paper and that, just so that you can add your bits and pieces. It's great. It's lovely. Another display there, look. Wow. Lovely papers. Let's get them all out. So, oh wow, look at this. That's great. Again, it's all plain in the middle, and then towards the outside, it's just a little bit of embellishments. Honestly, Julie, thank you so much. I promise I'll try and use it. It might be the next 4 years. That might be my December daily. Wow, look at it. Absolutely stunning. Gosh, beautiful. Beautiful keepsake. Thank you so very much. Well, okay, well, it's back on with cutting out my papers for my journal, and we'll make a start. So I'll go ahead and do that and get organised, and we'll see you soon for another video. And sorry about there was no Try It Tuesday this week. That is really literally didn't have time, but I might do 2 next week to make up for it. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So I've got something in mind, and I'll do that the weekend for the Tuesday. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I have missed you all, and speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.